JDTCO pistol grip wire strippers. This is part of the powerstroke Jude deal where you get mini pry bar. I think the deal is $35. It's a good deal as opposed to getting these right here. So looking at these, they do sell these separately. If you want to buy these from Napa, $41.99 by themselves. Might as well get the set, but exact same tool. And then you get the mini pry bar. I was using these for a while. And they don't have as many as love these. These are good. There you go. $33. And JDTCO.